Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check draft reels on Instagram. To check your draft reels on Instagram, open the app on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged in to your Instagram account. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, which is typically used to post a new story or a new post. Make sure you have selected the reel option at the bottom. At the top of the screen, you will see the options of camera, draft, clip hub, and others. You can post a new reel from any of these options. To check your drafts, tap on the draft option. Here, you will find all the reels that you have saved previously. Select the reel that you want to use, and you can now edit it as you wish. You can also add a caption, tag people and topics, and do whatever you like. To preview the reel, simply tap on it. Once you're done editing, tap on Post, and your reel will be published. That's it. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.